Looking for great holiday chocolate gifts for the holidays? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, ready to try a new take on dessert? Godiva Patisserie Dessert Truffles, inspired by the most celebrated desserts from restaurants and patisseries around the world. Will surprise and delight your palate, by Godiva Chocolatier. Number 2, you can't go wrong with a classic gift of delicious Starbucks coffee and Starbucks cocoa. This Starbucks coffee gift holds 2 mugs so you can have a mug of coffee and a mug of cocoa at the same time, by California Delicious. Number 3, express your Christmas holiday wishes and impress friends, family, clients, co-workers, and employees by sending a shimmering gift tower of sweets from Broadway Basketeers. Each box in this 5-box tower is filled with a gourmet spread of treats to please all palates, by Broadway Basketeers. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.